Good afternoon, everybody. Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. Today we are going to make some yummy fudge. I am making this fudge to say thank you to my husband and his son. I was recently sick for over a week, and they took very good care of me and the household. So they both love fudge, so let's make them some fudge. And it's the holidays, so exciting. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my little thing here. And I'm gonna measure out 2 cups of Toll House semi-sweet morsels in this first batch. I'm going to make 2 batches, one with nuts, one without nuts, because one of them likes nuts and one of them doesn't. So I have 2 cups of morsels. I have 1 cup of nuts, 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to do a tablespoon of vanilla, and that's it for this recipe. That's how easy it is. So we have our stove, our little burner here, heating up. We're going to add the semi-sweet chips in there, and I'll go ahead and pour some for the next batch too. And I have this on low. There is no medium low on this thing, so. And then I'm going to pour in my sweetened condensed milk. Getting all nice and poured in there and all nice and gooey. We'll get it all out. This stuff is not very, it needed to be used up too, so that was nice. Get our little spatula here. Get that all out. Okay. And then going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just using a regular, so it doesn't have to be fancy here. And so if there's any whole ones in here, I'm going to go ahead and break them in half. But we like big chunky nuts in ours, my husband and I. There we go. First time I'm using this thing, so it probably was not even on. So we should see it start to melt now. Oh, there it goes already. You can see it starting to melt. See it in the bottom there. And you stop cooking it when it's almost totally smooth. So since the milk and the chips have combined, I'm going to go ahead and add the nuts now. So you can see how it's smoothing out now. This is one. Okay. And over here, and I'm just going to dish it up in there. You can see it's starting to set up already. It's that quick, guys. Now I'm just gonna move it around this pot, this little nice thick fudge for my husband who likes nuts. Just trying to give this a nice little top on it. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do my second batch, but first I need to put some more saran wrap in this one. The reason why I put the saran wrap in here is then you can just pull the whole thing out and cut it into pieces. It's a lot easier to cut. But it's not easy to get the saran wrap in here. I like using paper better, but I'm out. So, because I know that this is going to leave some markings on the bottom. But you could always cut some parchment paper in here and do the same thing. So let's go ahead and with our second batch, we'll turn on our 2 cookies of semi-sweet chips. This one's going to go a lot quicker since I figured out how to turn on the thing right away. Teaspoon of vanilla. Pure vanilla. Now, you would put the espresso in here, not so that it tastes like espresso, just like a teaspoon, because it actually brings the chocolate flavor out more. So, our chunks are gone. That's when we take it out and put it in the pan, because they will continue to cook a little bit. That's what you do to prevent it from burning. We're almost there. Oh, this is a workout to stir. So simple, guys. I think I'm gonna this year maybe even learn how to make a peanut butter one and mix the two. I think my husband and my stepson would love that. Okay. See that? It's really starting to stiffen up. That is done. If we had a lot of people in the house, I would put this in a bigger pan, more like a 9 by 13. Since we don't have a lot of people in the house, I'm just making them bigger portions. It sets up so quickly. You don't have to put it in the fridge. You can see how as I'm putting it in here, it just continues to get the creamier part. And there we go. 2 servings of fudge. This one's already pretty much set up. So put this in the soap and water right away. For coming along with me today. I hope you enjoyed this time of making fudge together. What a great thing to do for the holidays, right? It's so quick and simple that if you're going to a holiday party and you don't know what to bring, you can whip this up in no time. If you have chocolate chips in a can of sweetened condensed milk, just a little salt and vanilla, and you've got it done in 10 minutes. And then as you're on the way there, it's hardening up and ready to cut. So go ahead and give this a try. It's a great thing for just showing up at those parties or showing up at somebody's house for the holidays. God bless you guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Creamy and tasty, guys. Give it a try. Yummy.